Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Intex Deluxe Wall Mount Surface Skimmer. Alright, so right here is the Intex Deluxe Pool Skimmer. This is the surface one. So this helps catch leaves, debris before they sink to the bottom of the pool. The Intex Deluxe Wall Mount Surface Skimmer. So inside this box, you do get everything you need in order to connect this. You do get the connector adapter. This will connect into your inlets. So you do get the hose. So this is easy setup for metal frames, pool side walls with adjustable brackets, and attaches to the filter pump for automatic skimming. Here is the skimmer itself. I'm going to put that to the side. We're going to get into the contents. So here are all the brackets. In order to use this, it requires an Intex filter pump with a minimum flow rate of 800 gallons per hour. And then you have the user manual. So this can be used on the metal frames as well as the soft pool side frame. So this just tells you the flow reduction adapter, how to set it in, how to set it up, but I'm going to show you how to set it up. Now here is the user manual. This will tell you how to set it up, any information, instructions. So this wall-mounted surface skimmer attaches to the filter pump for automatic skimming. Easy mounts, easy to the metal pool frames, helps catch leaves and debris. Durable polypropylene plastic, not attracted by pool chemicals. Strainer basket pulls out for easy cleaning. It is required that you clean this out on a weekly basis. You just remove the hose adapter from the outlet fitting connecting to ensure the thread strainer's connector is free from the debris, hair, and algae. Also make sure the cartridge in the filter pump is clean. There is no leakage in the circulation system. So now you want to put the hose on. You just attach it on the bottom just like this. So now this is where you'll connect your little arm to connect to the side of the pool. And it just pops in here just like this. That's actually the wrong one. You want this one right here. You push this one in and the holes will pop right in. This is the part that will go in to the skimmer itself. Just like that. And then the little screw on the back tightens it up. Right here, you just tighten it up however you want. Making it super tight, just finger tight, ensures that it doesn't slip. So you got the screws at the top to go around your pool. So first off, you'll need to remove the cap from your inlet. So now that has been removed, you want to add the adapter. Just screw on the adapter. This is a little difficult doing it with one hand. Just make sure you get it all the way down tightened. You set this over your pool. You unscrew these to the length of your pool wall. And then it just tightens up. You got both of these ones. And then it just sits right up in there. And then you'll lock it into place. So once you lock it into place, just tighten these up. And then now that it's set up, I'll need to turn on my filter. So this is what it should look like, connected to the skimmer into the inlet. So now that I got my filter set up, so you can see that it's skimming out all the bugs, all the debris. Got a couple bugs coming in here, some plants. It's flowing in there. And the top part, the little blue part, it's not supposed to go all the way down. That actually floats in the water. making sure that the bugs and the debris don't come back out, so it floats. It doesn't just sit down onto the skimmer. And it will continue to suck up everything that is in your pool. You can see it's pulling some of the debris in. It's got a really good suction power because I have a 16-inch sand filter. It is recommended that you use at least a filter that pumps in 800 gallons per hour. That is the recommendations. My sand filter is actually good for this pool. This is a 24 by 52 and the 16-inch sand filter, so it works just perfectly with this. You can see all the debris and the bugs that are being caught into this skimmer. If you're looking for something to remove all the debris and the bugs from your pool, I would recommend getting this Intex Deluxe skimmer. It will catch out all the debris and the bugs. This is definitely a higher recommendation, especially if you have a pool and you have bugs that like to float in here, like as mine does. This is awesome. I don't have to skim my pool with my hand. I can just have this one turned on. This is awesome.